Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In this one, I'm going to be drawing milk tea. I hope you can join me, follow along and have some fun. Let's draw. Let's start milk tea boba with the shape of the cup. So, a big curve shape, and it's getting wider as it goes out. So bring that out. And we've got this piece around here, the rim of the cup. Got the arm here. There's one hand with the arm. Here is the other hand with where the glove's going to be. Mapping on where the shoe is. That's more front on. This shoe's more side on. Leg coming out there and there. Now we've got all the bits on the top here. Comes up and around like this. And we have like a straw coming up here. And it's got candy cane looking straw. Then we've got this other piece here. We've got a cherry or something on top. Not sure. A leaf. Another leaf there. And then something else here. Once you've done a plan, it's time to add the details. Let's start with milk tea Boba's eyes. One eye there. They're going to be black with a white dot. And milk Boba is looking this way, so that's why I've got one eye there. The other eye is going to be same size. Similar white bit there up the top. Colour that in. Try and make them exactly the same. It's quite tricky. And he's got some other bubbles. Make some bigger than others. So just mixing up the size of these. Here's one near his arm. And don't be afraid to have them going off the side like this. Now I'm going to draw this arm on out to where it will go to the glove, so I can draw the edge of the cap. Bring that down, bring it back up and around, and then bring this one down. It's up to you whether you go that way or come down. Then the lip of the cup. Like so. And then drawing the cream or ice cream. Here's the leaf. Bringing that around. Little cherry on top. Another leaf. They've got some patterns on there which I'll add with colour later on. Another cherry. Another piece of something there. Comes down. And then we have like a straw shape coming out. With a candy cane pattern there. Let's draw the hand. Thumb. Hand. Like so. With top part of the hand. This one we see inside, so it'd be a little bit trickier. So start with shape like this. Thumb is there, and then bring that around. Let's draw the feet. Oh, actually, we've got some more details in here. Now you can draw where the lines are for the liquid. Let's draw this. There's another one here. And then there's some different colours inside here as well. Legs, 2 lines for the feet, little tongue for the shoe, couple of little laces. Shoe comes out and around like this with the sole, with the shoe. And you see a little bit of the back of the shoe coming around the back. This one, bring the leg down, little tongue of the shoe, these bits are curved. Bring that down and down like this, bring it around, and then bring this down and around like this.